The journey of 56 passengers on board a 7-seater bus belonging to Touristic Express ends abruptly at the Mbe Valley, about 40 kilometers from Ngaoundere in the Damawa region. 10 persons died on the spot. According to eyewitness account, the said vehicle is reported to have experienced a brake failure, coupled with the fact that the driver was on top speed.
We have to deplore the high speed on this bad road. You know that Ngaoundere is a very bad section, and we do hope that once we apply this road, the driver should be very conscious, very responsible in order to avoid this kind of disaster.
Among the dead victims are 5 children and 5 adults. 31 persons got severely injured. The injured victims are at the Ngaoundere Regional Hospital receiving treatment.
The prognosis is well. We are taking third patient in charge and 4 in bad situation. But the prognosis is very well.
The 7-seater bus left Ngaoundere on Wednesday morning and was heading to Garua in the North region. A journey of no return, which leaves family members of deceased persons in pain and shock.